Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this in here, you just click on the video effect. And at the menu, you can click on the basic. And at the basic, you can swipe down until you can see motion blur effect. So where is motion blur effect? This is the motion blur effect, so you just click on it. And after this in here, you just click on the check icon. And now you can adjust the motion blur effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. And after this in here, you can adjust for the horizontal shift like this, and for the intensity. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add motion blur effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.